Para sa mga nagpapagawa ng bahay at gustong magpa-tiles ng inyong mga flooring, so panoorin mo ang video na to para malaman mo kung magkano nga ba ang material cost at labor cost kapag nagpa-tiles ng flooring. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para sa update ng mga bago kong video. So, ito nga pala yung sample computation ng material cost and labor cost ng tiles and flooring. So, let's try here yung size ng floor. So, itatry natin yung 25 square meter. So, input natin dito. Yung 15 square meter, papalitan natin ng 25 square meter. And then, yung type of tiles, gagawin muna natin ceramic tiles. And also, yung tiles, size ng tiles, gagawin nating 40 by 40. And then, yung breakage allowance is 5%. So, ayan. And then, eto na yung kakalabasan ng material cost pagka-input ng 40 by 40 na size. Ayan. So, eto na yung material cost and then, eto na yung item. So, yung ceramic tiles na 40 by 40, yung cement, yung tile adhesive, and also the grout. And then, nandito na rin yung quantity o yung bilang na mga kailangan. Yung tiles is 165, yung cement is 5 bags, yung tile adhesive is 13 bags, and then yung grout is 3 bags. And then, ito na yung mga unit ko. So, yung 40 by 40 na tiles is worth 79 pesos. So, nakadepende to sa design at ganda ng tile set. And then, yung cement is 235 pesos each. And then, yung tile adhesive is 550 each. And yung grout is 65 pesos each. So, total cost is 21,555 pesos. So, yung labor cost naman is 30% of material cost. So, yung labor cost is papatak na 7,544 pesos. So, yung total cost ng lahat is 29,099 pesos, 0.25 pesos. So, yung per square meter naman is 1,163.97 pesos. So, mahal na ho magpa-tiles ngayon, hindi ho katulad dati. So, itatry naman natin ngayon yung 35 square meter naman. So, gagawin naman natin siyang porcelain tiles. And then, gagawin natin siyang 60 by 60 na size ng tiles. Yung breakage allowance pa rin is 5%. And then, ito pa rin yung material cost. Ito yung item. Yung tiles pa rin. Cement, tile adhesive, and grout. So, yung presyo ng tiles is 180. So, nakadepende pa rin po to sa design ng tiles. So, yung tiles ngayon ay pumapatak na 180 pataas. And then, same pa rin naman yung presyo ng cement, tile adhesive, and then yung grout. So, ang total cost naman nito ng material cost is 30,345 pesos. And then, yung labor cost is 35% pa rin ng material cost is worth 10,420.75 pesos. So, yung total cost naman nito is 40,965.75 pesos. And yung per square meter is 1,170.45 pesos. So, try naman natin yung 50 square meter. So, para magkaroon kayo ng ideas na simulang pinakamababa na square meter and then sa hanggang 50 square meter tayo. So, porcelain tiles pa rin, 60 by 60 na tiles. And then, pumatak pa na 42,770 yung total ng material cost pag 50 square meter. And then, yung labor cost is 14,969 pesos. Total cost is 57,739 pesos, 0.50. And then, yung per square meter is 1,154.79 pesos. So, itatry naman natin yung vinyl. So, maraming gustong magpakabit din ng vinyl. So, itatry muna natin siya ng 25 square meter. So, let's try 25 square meter na vinyl. So, ayan. And then, i-click ko lang dito. Lalagay ko is vinyl. And yung size ng vinyl is 30 by 30. Yung cost ng vinyl is, per piece is 30 pesos each. And then yung vinyl glue is 685 pesos. So, yung material cost is aabot ng 9,445 pesos. And then yung labor cost is 3,305.75 pesos. So yung total cost nito is 12,750.75 pesos. So ito na yung mga sample computation ng 25, 35, and 50 square meter. So kung meron kayong gustong ipa-estimate na floor area nyo, so comment down below nyo lang and then ibibideo ko po siya para magkaroon po kayo ng idea sa presyo ng mga material cost and labor cost. So, that's all po muna. So, sa susunod na video na lang po ulit. Thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, thank you. See you on my next video. Salamat po sa panonood.